Watch this video to learn how to claim compensation for a delayed Emirates flight. You need to submit this delayed flight certificate form in Emirates website. Just Google it. Check the box to confirm you were a passenger on the mentioned flight. Click on the title drop-down in the form. Select your title from the drop-down options. Click on the first name field in the form. Enter your first name in the highlighted field. Enter your last name in the highlighted field of the form. Enter your email address in the highlighted field of the form. Enter your email address in the highlighted field of the form. Enter your confirmation email in the highlighted field of the form. Select the phone type from the drop-down menu in the form. Select Home from the phone type drop-down menu in the form. Click on the country code drop-down to choose your country code. Enter the area code in the designated field next to the country code. Type your phone number in the phone number field. Enter your Emirates Skywards number in the optional field if applicable. Click on the country of residence field in the form. Select your country from the drop-down list that appears. Enter your booking reference in the designated field. Click on the Departure Airport field to enter the airport details. Enter the Arrival Airport in the form field. Enter the flight number in the form field. Enter the ticket number without spaces in the form field. Check the box to confirm all details entered are correct. To continue, click the Submit button. This is how you can receive compensation for a delayed or cancelled Emirates flight.